everyone.
Good afternoon.
May I have your presence, please? Excuse me. Okay, thank you. So, first question is like, how many of you have goals in your life? You have. Anybody can share his or her goal? Anybody? Anyone who can share? Yeah, please.
I want to go on a long vacation with my husband.
You want to go on long vacation with husband. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to share his goal?
I think we've put it there on the
Ma'am?
charts. All our
Put it in there.
You want to be a successful businesswoman.
Okay, you want to be a successful
Businesswoman.
businesswoman. Okay. Anyone else?
I want to be on the cover page of Times magazine. One
Great,
time.
great. Give a big round of applause. Okay. So, all we have are goals in our life. My next question is, what is the most important thing in our life? What is the most important thing?
To achieve the goal.
Okay. One is family.
Peace.
Second is peace. Okay.
Money.
Third is money. Very good.
Home.
Home. Great.
Food.
Can I have a permanent now? Okay, food. Food is very important, right?
A. Job. A.
Job, yes.
Job.
Job.
Job security.
Okay. Job security.
In the 21st century.
It's not in hyphen, it's in one word, job
Job security.
Job security. Okay. So family is important.
Right.
Peace is important. Money is important. Home is important. Food is important. Job security is important. Anything else left? Think.
Inner happiness.
Good
Sorry?
people, company of good
Friends.
Friends. Very good. Give a big round of applause. Friends. Social networking is important or not?
Social. Very
Social
important.
networking. So.
You said most important.
So I guess it's an important thing.
No, how come that we should clap for him without
Okay.
clapping for
If-
family,
if-
food and money?
If anyone is not having a job in his hand, he can have by social networking. Are you all agree with me?
No.
Or not?
No.
You are not agree?
No.
Why? Please tell me.
Because if I'm with my family, if my family has their business, I'm working in my family, so I don't.
No,
need
no,
to
no.
social.
If you want to search a job and you are not able
But
to
my
find,
family has got their own business, so why do I need to look out for a job?
no, I'm just saying if I am searching for a job, I don't have a background, I don't have a business background, then what I will do?
Social networking will help you.
Will
You
help
ask
me.
Your friends.
Also, it will help to develop people, like we are gathering here and we'll make a good relationship with each other. So we can have a friends in future and can have business also. Is it possible or not?
Yes, yes.
Not
Okay.
everything you speak to your family. You need to have friends to talk something else which you can.
Yeah, yeah, very right, very right. Okay, anything else left? Think.
Happiness.
I'm giving you
Happiness.
happiness is important, very good. Happiness is important.
But happiness is not what is
Self-actualization. I am giving an example. One person at the age of 50, he has to take a retirement due to some problem, physical problem. And one person is,
Healthy lifestyle.
so healthy lifestyle important or not?
Yes, important.
So health is important.
Health.
अभी शायद जिस एज में हमें नहीं पता चलता है, बट आने वाले टाइम में हो सकता है कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाए. Anything else left? Who believes in God?
God.
Who believes in God?
God.
Everyone. Everyone.
Everyone?
Yes.
No
But
two
nobody
people are
told. Like, God is important or not?
Yes. He's on every stage from 1 to 10 with us.
Anyone who is not believing in God,
I'm doubtful.
you are doubtful कि God है या नहीं है. Okay. So, any method that can like help to make your mind peaceful.
Meditation.
Like some people do meditation, some people daily goes to mandir, temple, etc. And some people helps. Somebody needs a help. So spirituality, we can say spirituality is important or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I know someone who's not spiritual, touching an age of 70.
Who?
Yeah,
Very
lots-
successful.
lots like that.
Very successful.
Very successful.
Lots of them.
Children
Lots like that.
are extremely settled, happy, have never ever been to a temple except
I
under
think we are
circumstances of taking
Sherry,
somebody
one
to.
second, we're eating into his time.
Yeah, not an issue. You can discuss. See, spirituality is like where we can find peace in mind. Like if I am not believing in God, but I find to help people, some poor people I can help. So this is a spirituality, we can say. I do meditation regularly, so this is a spirituality. Okay, so these all areas, like first question my was like, what is the goal in your life? Okay, so everyone says I want to be a successful person, I want to be a businessman, I want to be a as ma'am said, I want to see myself in front of paper. So my question is, we always relate ourselves with one area, that is career. So my question is कि हमारा जो गोल है वो सिर्फ एक एरिया में होना चाहिए? Yes or no?
Multiple goals.
Multiple goals should be there.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes left. Okay, thank you. So I'm coming to my point. Like we should make a goal in each area. Like if we are talking about family, how can we make a goal about family? Anyone?
Spend maximum time.
Spend maximum time. I'll say quality time with family members. Second is peace. How can we do peace in our mind? What can we do for it? Meditation, as we discussed.
Meditation.
For money, what we can do?
Hard work.
Hard work as well as smart work also.
Hard work also.
Anything else left? Okay. For home,
Of course, we need money for home.
we need money. For food,
Again, money required.
money required. Job security,
It depends on person to person.
it depends upon person to person. Social networking, what we can do to increase our social networking? We can join these classes, we can attend training programs.
Maximum number of friend requests.
Maximum number of friend requests. बस उन्हें time देना भी जरूरी है. So I'm just coming to my point that it's not working. So we should like have a balanced life so that we can. Everyone want to be a successful life. Everyone want stress-free life. If we will spend time in all areas, we can do better. We can achieve our goals better. Thank you.
Time.
Right. So,